Yeah, hello guys. Thanks for joining today's class. So today we discuss about Azure Fundamentals, but before that, I want to go over cloud concepts. So some of you guys missed yesterday class, so I want to go quick over these cloud concepts. So during this session, if you guys have any questions, you can ping me in the chat, and then I will answer all your questions. Okay, so let's go over these cloud concepts. Okay, so today we have our topic cloud concepts and principles of cloud computing. So we will discuss about what is cloud computing and benefits of cloud computing, capital expenditure versus operational expenditure, cloud deployment models, and types of cloud services. Okay, so let's start with what is cloud computing. So cloud computing is renting resources like storage space or CPU cycles on another company's computers. So you only pay for what you use. Okay, so let me give you guys example. So here what it says, cloud computing is renting resources. So renting means you are just using someone's computers. So let's say you are keeping all your files, or maybe you are hosting all your web applications on their computers or on their servers. Okay, so I will give you a real-time example. Okay, so you have electricity at your home. Okay, so you have electricity at your home, and then every month you pay electricity bill, because how much you consume all over the month, then you get a bill at the end of the month, and then you pay what you consume. So here, when you turn on switch at your home, right? So you see that light is on, the bulb is on. When you turn on AC, the AC just runs. But you don't worry about how the electricity transfers from a plant to your home, because you don't have to worry, because if they do any upgrades, maintenance, you don't worry, because all you worry if you get electricity at your home or not. At the end of the month, you're paying only what you use. So that's the good example. If you guys are good with this, just let me know. If you have any questions, you can ping me over the chat. Okay, and then let me tell you, so now we understand what is cloud computing. So we are just renting someone else's computer. So and in other words, we can say cloud computing, accessing files and data over the internet. You are processing data over the internet, because if you want to store all your files and data, and if you want to host all web applications, right? So you have to do over the internet. And also, if you want to access all those files, data, you have to do it over the internet too. So you can say this for cloud computing. So this is also one of the definition. Okay, now we are good with what is cloud computing, but who offers these cloud services? So when we say cloud provider, whoever offer these cloud computing services, we call them cloud providers, cloud service providers. Okay, so we have the major companies, major providers are Microsoft Azure, and Amazon. Amazon offer AWS and Google. Okay, so here the cloud provider is responsible for the physical hardware required to execute your work and for keeping it up to date. Let's say, so here you don't have to worry about the hardware, because all the patches, all the physical security, they take care of it. You don't have to do anything. All you have to use, just consume their services and then pay what you use. You can pay monthly or annually. Okay, so this is all about cloud computing. So here, compute power such as Linux servers or Windows servers or web applications. Storage means such as files and databases. And networking, like to such a secure connection between cloud provider and your company. So let's say you, what is this networking? Because when you host all your web applications and databases in the cloud, you have to access those, right? From cloud to your on-premises or your company, right? You need to access. And then you have to establish a secure connections to connect to your web applications or databases. Or if you want to access them, if you want to store in your local machines, then you have to connect to that cloud, right? For that, like, we have to make secure connections. So we have a lot of options available. The Azure provides a lot of networking options. We will go through in the next module. Okay, and then analytics such as visualizing telemetry and performance data. Okay, so let's move to the next one.